It's a Child Protection Week. The lockdown, sadly, has only worsened matters for vulnerable children. In the Western Cape alone, more than 250 children were abused during the first 3 months of the lockdown. Civil society organisations say this is just the tip of the iceberg, as many cases are unreported. Ayesha Ismail reports.
Those who are meant to protect the vulnerable are often the ones abusing them.
During the hard lockdown, our people were more in need than ever. And you'd have those who are claiming to, lend a helping hand, only to find out that that person was actually on the lurk. He was the predator.
She says her organisation definitely saw more abuse cases per week during the hard lockdown than before.
Once a child is neglected, left alone, etc., it leaves a void for whoever the predator is. It could be an internal person, it could be an external person who will take advantage of children. And largely of our cases, it was neglect and sexual abuse.
Mangisa says parents need to be more alert and more vigilant, adding it's a myth that abusers are uneducated and come from poor areas.
We've got perpetrators who are priests, who've taken advantage of the various situations people are in.
Experts say increased levels of stress were experienced during the hard lockdown in households.
Violence against children, it's not just about experiencing, but also what children are exposed to, particularly in homes and the community.
Matthews says child awareness should be a 365-day campaign.
We should be having an early intervention and prevention program that will create a next generation that have been less exposed to violence, because what we are certainly seeing is the intergenerational consequences of violence means that the next generation are actually going to be more violent than what we're currently seeing.
Ayesha Ismail, Cape Town.